If water is coming out of your Ultratap while the filtered side handle is still in the locked position, don't worry, it might just need a quick reset. To begin, locate the small rubber bung underneath the filtered handle and remove it. Now, using the Allen key that came with your tap, gently loosen the grub screw inside the handle. You only need to loosen it slightly, just enough to release the handle. Next, pull the handle off to the side. This handle is connected to the cartridge, and the teeth inside allow it to lock into a specific position. Slightly rotate the handle in either direction, then reattach it to the cartridge. Before tightening, test the new position by turning the handle to the locked position and checking that no water flows. If water still runs, adjust again. Once the handle is in the correct position, use the Allen key to tighten the grub screw. Finally, reinsert the rubber bung to complete the reset. Your handle should now be correctly aligned and locked.